Hello everyone, this is Jingo. Okay, umpisahan po natin agad. How does Facebook evaluates an ad? This is very, very interesting. So, makinig po kayo. It isn't because you have the biggest budget, you get to win the auction. But of course, budget has a role in itself. Unlike a traditional auction, Facebook ads is not being won by who has the biggest bid. Hindi ba po yung traditional auction, ang nananalo ay yung pinakamataas ang bid? Not in Facebook. The winner of an auction is decided by how an ad is constructed in such a way it gives value to the user. So, depende sa ad na ginawa mo, depende sa husay ng kanyang pagkakagawa o pagkakaareglo at kung ano ang value nito, doon po binabase ni Facebook ang desisyon nila para ibigay sa iyo yung pagkapanalo. Meaning, the ad who has an overall value wins the auction. At yung value po ay hindi po isang bagay lang ang pinagbabasihan. There are many. When there is an auction up on a certain niche, Facebook will evaluate each placement using the 3 factors and display the ad that gives the highest value. This means that you don't need to bid sky high each time to win the auction, as long as you have the ad that has better value than your competitors. To summarize, it is whose ad gives a pleasant experience to the users that wins the auction. After winning, Facebook will charge the winning ad with the minimum amount required. Kasi may minimum lang naman sila eh. Hindi naman sila porque mataas yung bid mo, mataas ang singil sa'yo. But of course, I will explain later, okay? Minimum amount required to win the auction. Meaning, you won't always get charged the maximum bid for ads on Facebook. Hindi ko mo $20 yung bid, $20 na per impression. Hindi po ganon. Kasi ang standard presyo ng 1,000 impressions is $5. Hindi dahil $20 yung sa'yo, $20 yung presyo mo. Hindi po. $5 pa rin. So, what's going to happen is what I'm going to explain next. How to win the auction? There are 3 factors to win the auction on your space. Yung una is advertiser bid. It represents how interested you are in showing your ad. Kung malaki yung bid mo, natural. Mas interesado ka na manalo kaysa dun sa nagbid lang ng mababa. It only makes sense that putting up a higher bid already has put you ahead of the others. Ad quality and relevance, kung maganda yung high definition ba, yung iyong video, and also related ba ito sa product at saka sa tina-target mong audience. Okay? So, isa yan sa titingnan din ni Facebook. And then yung estimated action rates. Alam na alam ni Facebook algorithm kung ano ang magiging reaction ng user sa ad mo. So, ika-calculate na nila yan kahit hindi pa nangyayari. Those calculations ay pagsasama-samahin ni ad yan doon sa dalawa pa. Example, titingnan niya ng Facebook and then i-check niya, may possibility ba na kiklikin ba ito ni user tapos i-check yung website, magbibisita dun sa website. O pagdating ba dun sa website, may possibility ba na i-download yung app, yung freebie, o mag-register dun sa opt-in? Alam po ni Facebook yan eh, kung may possibility. Kasi it's how you constructed the ad, kung super attractive siya o super controversial or maganda yung kanyang pool sa tao. Alam ni Facebook yung estimated action rates na pwedeng gawin ni user doon. So pagsasama-samahin lahat ni Facebook and then ibibigay sa'yo yung top of the line. I mean, ikaw ang mapupunta sa forefront. So, ikaw yung mananalo sa auction. Pag lahat yan ay madideliver mo. Okay? So, this is the other way to explain it. So, nagbid ka, $20 yung bid mo. And then, i-check ni Facebook kung ano kaya ang most likely na magiging reaction ni user. Most likely pa lang yan ha, hindi pa yung reaction mismo ni user. At estimation ni Facebook na ikiklik ba to ni user. Gaano kahusay itong ad na to? Gaano siya ka-inviting or gaano siya ka-convincing. So, pagsasamahin yan ni Facebook and it will become advertiser value. So, aayusin natin yan mabuti para maganda yung advertiser value natin, di ba? And then, i-add po yan ni Facebook. So, dyan ka, ito pa lang yung chinecheck niya para ma-approve ka base dito. And then, i-add ni Facebook yung experience ni user nung nilabas mo na yung ad mo. Okay? So, titingnan ni Facebook ano ang reaction ni user sa ad mo. Maganda ba ang experience ni user? Pleasant ba yon? Kasi po, si Facebook, first and foremost, ang pinakamahalaga sa kanila is the user. So, they place high value with the experience of the user. Kasi, ang user ang kanilang client. And si user po ang kanilang pinipilit na i-please. At gusto nila ma-please si user para mag-stay. And gumamit ng Facebook. So kung maganda yung experience ni user, i-add ngayon ni Facebook yan sa advertiser value. And then bibigyan ka ngayon ng total value depende sa magta-transpire sa lahat ng ito. So, kung napapansin nyo po, na-approve na to ni Facebook na-approve na yung ad mo pero wala ka pang cost. Hindi ka pa sinisingil. Kasi, sisingilin ka lang ni Facebook depende sa user experience. Kung maganda ang user experience mo, ang total value mo is mababa. Ang sisingilin sa'yo ni Facebook ay mababa. Kung hindi maganda, ay mataas ang presyo mo. So, yung ad cost ay binibase ni Facebook sa lahat ng yan. Okay? Hindi sa bid. Kasi yung bid po is impression. Yung ino-optimize mo, yun yung pinapresyohan. Di ba? Nag-optimize tayo ng link clicks, ng website conversion, video views. Yan po yung mga optimization na ginagawa natin. And then, dun tayo pinipresyohan. Kung maganda yung user experience, mababa yung ad cost nun. Yung click per result, mababa. Click per link click per conversion. Yun po yung ating ino-optimize. So, yun yung pepresyohan ni Facebook depende sa consumer experience. Alright?
Whoa.